The UK's Trident nuclear-deterrent system encountered a significant setback during a recent test, as reported by British media. The incident, observed by Defense Secretary Grant Shapps aboard the HMS Vanguard, witnessed a missile malfunction, causing it to crash into the ocean off the coast of Florida near the carrier. While the Ministry of Defense acknowledged the anomaly, they moved swiftly to reassure the public regarding the ongoing safety, security, and effectiveness of the nation's nuclear deterrent. This recent failure marks the second test mishap involving a Trident missile. Despite the incident, Shapps affirmed that the submarine and its crew had been certified for operational readiness. However, this development could prompt inquiries into the reliability of the system, particularly given the current climate of heightened international tensions. Matthew Saville of the Royal United Services Institute highlighted the global scrutiny such incidents attract, noting that other nuclear powers closely monitor each other's tests. The Trident system, which relies on four nuclear-powered submarines, remains a pivotal component of Britain's defense strategy. Despite this setback, both British and American authorities stress the overall success of the Trident program. Nevertheless, maintaining this crucial deterrent capability comes at a considerable annual cost, leading to plans for the replacement of aging Vanguard submarines. The Royal Navy's sustained deployment of British ballistic missile submarines since 1969 underscores the enduring necessity of maintaining a credible nuclear deterrent.